Want to unlock free Wi-Fi and browse safely anytime, anywhere, with the help of a VPN? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how step by step. So, let's dive in. So, how can a VPN get you free internet? Alright, here is how. When you connect to public Wi-Fi at a cafe, library, or mall, some networks might block certain websites or apps, limit your usage time, or require personal details to log in. So a VPN, virtual private network, helps by hiding your IP address and encrypting your data. This means you can bypass unnecessary restrictions and stay anonymous while using legit free Wi-Fi hotspots. Now let's learn how to find a free Wi-Fi hotspot that will give us free internet, and then use a VPN to encrypt our connection to stay safe online. So where can you find legit free Wi-Fi? Let me break it down. There are apps like Wi-Fi Map or InstaBridge that will scan and find you free hotspots near you that you can connect to and start using for free. What you need to do is to visit the app stores and install any of these two legit apps on your phone. They will automatically show you free public Wi-Fi near you, and you're just one tap away from connecting to your preferred hotspot. Another way you can find free Wi-Fi is cafes, restaurants, and malls. These often have guest Wi-Fi. Just ask for the password. Libraries, airports, and bus stations usually offer free networks too. But here's the catch. Not all free Wi-Fi is safe. That's why you need a VPN running before you connect. Alright, so just as you find a strong Wi-Fi hotspot, wait, don't click the connect button yet. You need to turn on your VPN service before you connect to public Wi-Fi. But I know you have this on your mind. Why do you need a VPN when using free Wi-Fi? Well, public Wi-Fi is everywhere, in cafes, libraries, airports, but these networks are often unsecured. That means hackers can intercept your data. Some networks track your browsing. Certain websites or apps might be blocked. A VPN, virtual private network, encrypts your internet traffic, making sure your personal information stays private and allowing you to safely access free Wi-Fi without restrictions. How to set up your VPN. Now you got it. Let's set up a VPN for safe, free internet access. 1. Download a trusted VPN. I recommend ProtonVPN, no data limits, PrivadoVPN, and Windscribe. These have free plans you can use and they're safe to try. 2. Open the app and pick a server close to your location for better speed. 3. Turn on the VPN before connecting to public Wi-Fi. This instantly encrypts your connection. 4. Enable the kill switch feature. Most VPNs have this. It cuts your internet if the VPN drops, so your data never leaks. 5. Test your internet speed. Once you're connected, you should be safely online and browsing for free. Before you go, let me give you some extra safety tips. Avoid entering sensitive data like banking details even with a VPN. Stick to HTTPS websites. Look for the padlock icon in the browser bar. If that icon is missing, be extra careful and don't enter any personal data on that site. Disable auto-connect to Wi-Fi networks. This stops you from joining unsafe networks without realizing it. That's how you unlock free Wi-Fi for safe and free internet access using VPNs. If this was helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to Paw Tech Tips for more legit tech tips. Got a favorite VPN or Wi-Fi tip? Drop it in the comments. Let's share and learn together. See you in the next one. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not encourage or support any illegal activities, including unauthorized access to private networks. Always use free Wi-Fi responsibly, and ensure you follow local laws and regulations when connecting to public internet services.